Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I want to talk about the S&P 500. The S&P 500 just made its all-time high again yesterday, and then it got hit and to this Fibonacci level, and it did have a little return from it. It's not a big deal. The markets are going good at the moment, and it seems there's not much a problem for the moment. So we will have to see, because today is just new opened and we have to look about the daily close, and it seems there's not much a problem at the moment. If I have to talk about the Nasdaq, as you can see over here, I can show you. You can go through like this and this, like this. It made a triangle from, oops, sorry, my cell phone. Well, Nasdaq had a triangle. It was stuck between the triangle and just broke it. So Nasdaq seems good, and I expecting the Nasdaq go much more further from here with the S&P 500 lead. But the US markets are going well right now, and the Nasdaq is like a little bit more volatile, and I expected it to hit to its all-time high, because the S&P made its all-time high. Dow Jones also made its all-time high, as you can see over here, but Nasdaq didn't. So I thinking about the Nasdaq will be go through like all-time high 24,200 maybe, or something like that. Markets are seems good right now. If I have to talk about the Russell means the old US stocks, not the all of them, but the Russell is the 2000 of the stocks. If I have to talk about the Russell just shows the is it the price increasement trend is going for the all of the stocks or not, because Russell is have a much more stocks including in this exchange. So Russell made, oops, sorry, I have to go back to, well, if we are going to, I'm very bullish about the US market at the moment, because as you can see over here, the Russell made its all-time high again, and it means not only the Magnificent Seven, Nvidia, Apple, and etc., Google, Alphabet are going up. Not only them, all the US markets are going up right now, and this is a bullish trend, and it seems it will be have a continuous trend. It will be coming up soon. So this is a bullish signal for the US markets. If I have to talk about, well, if I have to talk about gold, it's made its all-time high again yesterday, but I think the commodities are overboard, and it's in the end of this price increasement season, for my opinion, because, well, I bought it gold back in the 2000 levels or something, 2500 levels. It was good, but it's right now almost 5000. This is too much. So also it is within the 2 year period, 1.5 year period. So this is I think too much for the commodities. Especially I want to talk about the silver one. Well, why would I never buy silver from here? As you know, I bought silver, and back in the days, if I had to go about the first thing, well, Comex is just increased its the Comex is just increased its margins for the silver at the moment, and it still increases it. It was happened back in the 2011. Did you know? I don't know. Did you remember at that this? But just remember that this 2011. If silver, I will go to the weekly. This is a weekly chart, and the silver was going up like, I wouldn't take from here. I will take from here. Go up like 470% upside, and the Comex was still increasing its margins. Oh, still increasing it. It didn't have a effect in the first time in the market, but when a time came, it made a effect. So silver was gone down from its all-time high from there to 72% loss from $50, as you can see over here, almost 50 levels to the 14 levels, 72% loss. This is too much loss. And right now the Comex is increasing its margins again. Well, I wouldn't say I will hate silver. I know it have a shortage of there is a shortage of silver for the electric cars, etc. Okay, I get it, but uh, I also bought the silver back in the $22 days. Okay, I bought it. I don't have an offhand in silver, but right now it's almost 100. It's 787 at the moment. Well, also the Comex is increasing its margins like back in the 2011. Just remember that day. And the Comex, the first time it didn't make it affect the margin increasement, but right now, not right now, and one day in 2011 it made a effect, and then it gone down like 72%. So my opinion, I sold my silver back in the days, and right now my opinion about the silver, we are in the euphoria period. My opinion. Do you agree or not? But if I were you, no. If I had to talk about myself, if I had silver, I would hold it until the uh, impact. As you know, it will be impact going to be happen. But I wouldn't buy silver at the moment. But I wouldn't buy silver at the moment. That's all I'm going to say about the silver. The platinum, if I had to go talk about the platinum daily, platinum also there's a negative divergence over here. It's not aggressive as the silver, but I think this is it's for the platinum, maybe little bit going up, but I wouldn't think about it, maybe, for my opinion. Well, if I have to talk about the Bitcoin just got bounced from the Kaufman moving average, so this is a bullish signal, and it came to the Fibonacci level, 94,000 level. If it can be stay above the Kaufman, if it can be stay above the 94,000 levels in the 4-hour chart, if the US market, if the US market are opened, it's a good sign, and my opinion it will be go to the $100,000 for the first move if it go past this Fibonacci level. But I think it will be past it because there's a lot of shorts in the Bitcoin, and that shorts will be squeezed, and later on, not right now, the Bitcoin will be hit to its new all-time high, and we will see what's going to be happen. But right now 94,000 is the important price level. If I have to talk about the Ethereum also got bounced from the Kaufman moving average. If the Bitcoin surpasses Fibonacci level, 94,000 level, I expect Ethereum will be past its 3,300 level, and it can be go to the 3,500 levels. Also, I'm going to say the same thing with the XRP. Maybe XRP can be hit to its 240 level. As you can see over here, there is a resistance, downside resistance trend, and maybe it can be retested. I don't know about the XRP because XRP is much more volatile because it's a little bit less volume than the Bitcoin and the XRP. Bitcoin and the Ethereum. So if I have to talk about the XMR also, XMR break its all-time high 2 days ago and still going up, and I have made a technical analysis about it, where the price could go, and it seems that 2,500 will be its last stop, for my opinion. So thank you for watching my video. See you later.